Hello everybody, today I want to talk about this Wi-Fi 6 range extender. So first I will start with specification, later I will share you my impressions connected with using this device for last 1.5 years, and finally I will make my recommendation. So starting with specification. This device is made by TP-Link company. It's called RE705X. It has dual band. It's killing dead zones. You can connect more devices to it. It has uninterrupted streaming and it's easy to set up. It has faster Wi-Fi 6 on board, it has larger capacity, ultra low latency, it saves client battery power, it has adaptive path selection, it could be used as an access point. In relation to connecting this device to router, you can easily do it using this WPS button. Here you've got smart signal indicator. If the light is blue, the signal is strong. If the light is orange, the signal is weak. You also got here Gigabit Ethernet port. So that's it about the specification. Now my impressions after using this device during last 1.5 years. So first of all, I must explain why I'm using this device. I have older laptop and sometimes I need LAN connections, like LAN connection to download some software to my laptop, and instead going to the router and plug in my laptop directly to the router, I'm placing this fella in electric socket, and that's it. About the look, you see how nice it looks like. It's frequently described as having sci-fi aesthetic. Many users comparing its design to a cross between Darth Vader shuttle and TIE fighter. It repeats signal very well, but what is strange that in the same place I have stronger signal in my older laptop than in this device, but when I'm using the LAN connection, it's very stable. So for my purpose, this device serves me very well. So in relation to my recommendation, if you need device which allow you to use LAN connection in places that you are lacking cables all over your place, I recommend to buy this device. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.